Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HUAWEI P10 Lite and let me share with you how to use secret codes on this device. So let's start with opening the dialer, because this is the place where we can enter all of those codes, and let me start with the shortest option. It is *#06#. And as you can see, by this code we are provided with the email number and serial number of this device. Let's tap on OK and let me show you another code which will open the calendar info. It is *##225#*##. And as I said, we are in the calendar info, so here we've got all the events in one place. You can check some family events, some holidays in your country should also appear right here, or events attached to your mail. So this is the best place to check the events because here they're grouped into particular sections. Let's go back and let me show you another code which will open the diagnostic. So it is a technical code. It is *##426###. And as I said, we are in the diagnostic, so here we can check the server, host, port, time connected, and the signal level. We can tap on events, and here we've got some further details. After tapping on the three dots icon, we can show advanced view. Just tap on this option and tap on the status. And as you can see here, we've got much more information. So for example, the last ping, heartbeat, or HB algorithm. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.